Hi, welcome to Bonita's Kitchen and thank you for joining us. What I'm going to be making today is a delicious batch of cheese tea buns. Here in Newfoundland and Labrador, we love tea buns and all different kinds. Blueberry, raisin. This one is absolutely delicious, and it's good if you're having a bowl of soup or you just want to have a tea bun and a cup of tea. If that interests you, stick around and let's get started.
Bonita's kitchen to yours. Bonita's kitchen. To yours.
Now I'll tell you all the ingredients as we go, and if I miss anything, I'll leave the recipe at the bottom of this video. So this is 2 cups of all-purpose white flour, and if you don't want to use that, you use a flour of choice. I'm going to be using 1/4 cup of white sugar. Again, you could use sugar of choice. 4 teaspoonfuls of baking powder. And 1/2 teaspoonful of sea salt or table salt. Now we're just going to toss this together, and after we're going to be putting in there 1/2 cup of cold cubed butter, or if you don't have butter, use margarine, and just toss it on in to the dry ingredients. Now with your clean hand or with one of those mixers with a hook, just squeeze all of that butter in with the dry ingredients till it's all incorporated. So I'm going to be cracking 1 large egg into a bowl. This one don't want to crack. Into a bowl. And, well, shells on shells. So I'm going to take that one out with the shell and then mix that together. After you've mixed that, just toss that in with 1/2 cup of evaporated milk or milk of choice and mix it through. So pour it gradually into your mixture and mix around. So just mix it all in through with your fork, or again, mixer with a hook. And then when you get it starting to come together like this, toss in there 1 cup of shredded cheese or cheese of choice, whatever type you enjoy having, and then mix that through.
If you're anything like me, I love all different cheese.
I know, eh? Yeah.
Okie doke.
And like I said, mix that on in through. Now again, this is a tasty recipe and so easy to make. If you got company coming, you could make this so fast before they come and have it waiting there nice and hot. After you've mixed it all into a ball, if it's still a little sticky, you can do just a small sprinkle of flour on it just to take that sticky off. And then all we're going to do is take pieces of this batter like this. You make the size you want, and then place down on to a parchment paper pan, a cookie pan with parchment paper on it. That's all you need to do there. And then what you can do is preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. And we're going to be putting our tea buns in there for about 15 minutes. Or I can say until golden brown or done. You don't want to overbake them because then it won't be as delicious. Now what I'm going to do is get 1 more egg and brush the top of these buns. After you got them all rolled, so with this, we're going to take 1 egg and toss into a bowl and mix that around. And just take a small amount of each one and brush the top. This will give it a nice golden brown color and be all ready and delicious. That's all you need to do there. So that's all you need to do there. So just put it in your 375 degree Fahrenheit preheated oven, and then I'll show you what it looks like when it's baked. Our cheese tea buns are baked. I got myself a pot of tea. Now I'm going to show you what they look like. Now look at these delicious golden cheese tea buns. I'm going to put one in my plate now with some butter on them and have a little taste. It smells absolutely amazing in here. I just can't wait for you to make these delicious tea buns, cheese tea buns. I'm going to put a little bit of butter on the top, cut it in half, show you what it looks like on the inside. Oh boy. I know this is, just look how delicious it looks on the inside. Cheese is just all the way through there, a nice golden color. Oh my, I'm gonna have a taste. You can just put jam on this as well, some of that marmalade jam we got there online. It'll taste good as well. So delicious, tender, the butter just dripping on it. I can't wait to sit back with this cup of tea and finish this bun. And I got a taste here for you, Randy.
Oh, thank
so I'm
you.
not forgetting you.
I've been waiting for you to say
Oh my
that.
goodness.
So.
Delicious, 2 thumbs up by myself and Raymond. You can make these in less than 5 minutes, bake them in 15. Your company's coming, or you just want to sit out on your porch, or just relax with a book and a cup of tea. If you enjoyed this recipe and you want to know how to make yours, the recipe will be posted in under this video. We'll also provide it for you on our website, www.bonitaskitchen.com, and you can send us a message on my email at bonitakitchen@gmail.com. And of course, we'll also share it on our Facebook page if you're following us there. So we won't take any more of your time. We know it's precious, and we thank you for spending a few minutes with us here today. On behalf of myself, Raymond, and our team here at Bonita's Kitchen, thank you for joining us from our kitchen to yours. Have a wonderful day. If you're here in Newfoundland and Labrador, don't forget to visit beautiful Bay Roberts and join us again on Bonita's Kitchen.
Join us by the sea.
So good.
A journey in culinary, always an open door. Bonita's Kitchen to yours. Bonita's Kitchen.